Good morning to today I'm off work. Hold on, let me go turn this down. I hope I don't mess it up. Hold on. Sorry, y'all. Let me go in here and turn this down. But yeah, sorry, my hand in the way. Hey, what's up, y'all? I had took off today. I took off today and tomorrow because I need a break. I'm always at work. I don't never take off. And it's crazy when your supervisor be like, hey, you need to take off work. Because they know I'm always at work, which is good. They know that I'm not. They know that I work. But yeah, I took off because they were saying that I needed a break. And I'm glad. But Thursday I go back because we have swim day with the kiddos on Thursday. And I actually like swim day. I know it's a lot. It really is. But I enjoy swim day. But anyway, put this over here. I was making some neck bones for the boys, and I know they're gonna be really hungry when they get home. I know I probably done told y'all this before, but my middle baby, he don't like home. He likes junk food. I ain't gonna lie, I like junk food too. Junk food far as like eating like junk like tacos and stuff. You know, he don't like home cooked meals. But I do. I like some stuff, but not everything. Let's see. I got the neck bones in there. Where's the other ones? Oh, did I put them all? Oh, I put them all in there. But y'all, I'm about to boil these bad boys some more to make them get a little bit more tender. Like this. I don't know how I should hold my phone, y'all. Hold it. Yeah, I want to get a camera so bad because I know I'll be able to have more storage. Like phones, you can, but you got to pay so much money and all this and that for the to get more storage. But then again, I mean, having a phone is really not too bad, I guess. But yeah, I'm just sitting up here making this nicknames. Let me see if y'all can see. Hold on, y'all. Y'all know I don't do no editing. It was in the refrigerator. That's why I look like that, y'all. That's why I look like that. It was in the refrigerator, and now it's boiling to get, cause I like to boil it like all night, for hours so it can get really, really tender. Cause I had maybe some turkey necks the other day. They were so good and tender, but my oldest son ate the rest of that. But I know when they get home, honey, like I said, they're going to be hungry. So I'm trying to make it do what it do. But anyway, y'all, I'm just introducing this new little, I don't know if you, little video. Anyway, y'all, I'm about to boil this, and I will chat with y'all later. Bye. Once again, I'm cleaning out this fridge. Okay? I know I'm all up close on y'all, but clean out this fridge again. Eggs. I need to get some more eggs, obviously. There's nothing in there. I just got some bacon. Should be good on the bacon. Old meat, throwing that out. I'm actually making some tacos tonight. Taco Tuesday, right? Some chicken. I'll probably bake a few pieces of chicken just in case my son don't want tacos. Micah, Makai loves tacos, so I might make chicken for Micah and tacos for Makai. See, tomatoes good. I don't know. I might just need to get some more. I'm not sure. Is it good? Is it good? I don't know. Oh, no. It's not good. I don't know what that is. I don't know what this was. Ugh. Okay, let's see. My ear is ringing. I don't know why. It started ringing. Like all this just been sitting here forever. So I'm just gonna dump everything out. It just has been in there, just sitting in there. This is some Lodi sauce that my sister be giving me, sending me from Texas. She's in Houston. And I freeze it because I like to eat this with turkey neck and lobster tails and crab legs because I can't eat shrimp. But this is good. Good and spicy. When do I need to throw these out? Oh, these ones definitely leaving because this is 2025 July, right? These next bones, there's still some good. I just put it in the refrigerator. I don't want to leave them out. What else? You can throw this away. Just a little gulp of that. I don't know. I didn't finish that. Sardines. All these barbecue beans. Okay. Chicken minutes, because it's just a few. This just was the other day. I'm not going to dump that out. Oh. Ew, this looks so gross, y'all. I'm not. Pour this out. Of course. Okay, pretty good. Hot dog. This is all. I remember my brother making this. I'm scared to open it. But I need this type of container, so I'm going to clean this out really good. Because I need this for work and stuff, y'all, you know? I don't know what this is. I'm glad I said I need to clean this out while I'm off. So, that. Ooh, y'all, I gotta clean all this off. This is, ooh. Okay. Now, the only thing that I have to do is basically clean, like get down in there and really wipe the refrigerator off. Out. But yeah. Oh, I hope y'all, oh, I don't know if y'all can see me. Sorry. Anyway, y'all. I will be back in a minute. I'll be back later, okay? Talk to y'all later. Bye. Hey, y'all. Hey, I'm back. I'm checking on these neck bones that I was fixing. It's going to make my phone get all blurry. All smoky like. Okay, I'm actually about to take these neck bones out. And y'all believe it or not, my son, I told him I was going to go get some taco stuff for him later. He don't want taco stuff. I'm like, what? So I told him there's some corn dogs in here, and he can eat the corn dogs because I'm not about to play around with him. These kids, y'all, they so picky. I don't have time. As long as there's food in here. And I don't know why I be trying to please. Like, I be trying to please them. Like, I be trying to get them everything that they like. And I'm like, I got to stop doing that because it's food in here. You know what I'm saying? So... yeah, I'm about to turn this off. I'm trying to quit saying I'm finna. I'm about to, not finna. But I'm about to. Cause I do probably want to make this chicken. Cause I don't eat neck. I don't really like neck bones. I don't know why. I used to eat neck bones, but every time I try to eat it, it made me feel sick to my stomach. I don't know what to do, but And y'all, it's weird because I'm not no vegetarian by a long shot. Look at me, baby. I'm thick, okay? Big bag. But I don't, sometimes I have moments with meat, like I can't eat it or I feel sick. That's what took me. So I still have not ate nothing yet because I'm afraid to eat. I don't want to feel sick. I got some pecans up there and I was going to make me a little coffee. That's what I was about to do. I don't know what to do, y'all. My body be doing some weird stuff. They be doing some weird stuff. But I need to find something to put. I cleaned this little bowl out. I'm letting it soak, y'all. See the little bowl? I'm letting it soak. Because I'm going to use this, honey. And I'm going to make sure I keep up with this because when I need to, because I actually bought me a couple of these things, but I don't know what it is and stuff. I got to make sure I keep up with this because I don't like using. I need something that I can take to work, basically, what I'm trying to say. Like I already told y'all earlier in the video. This is out really good. I'm going to stick this bad baby in my closet. For sure am. I'll leave this up here. There's no more napkins. Like, come on, man. They probably didn't realize, oh shoot, did I do that? I don't know. But anyway, I normally don't do that, but come on, y'all. Oh man, these paper plates have been going by so fast. I'm about to rip off one of these box. Like this one. It's open. Sorry, y'all. And then we got these, but I think some of these are stale. Anyway, y'all, I'm just rambling. But y'all have a good one. I'm about to basically just mix my little corn dog. And that's it. And yeah. Y'all please like, comment, and subscribe. And share the videos. Let people know about your girl. Alright, loves. I'll see you guys later. Okay.